Good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss about database users. Database users are the one who really use and take the benefits of database. Now there are four different types of database users. The first one is naive users. Second one is application programmers. Third one is sophisticated users. Fourth one is specialized users. So these are the four different types of database users available in database management system. I'll discuss one by one here. Now first one is naive users. This type of user interact with the system with the help of previously created programs known as application program. So for example, I want to travel one place to another place. So for that, I want to book a ticket. So by using one application, so example IRCTC, Redbus. So these are the examples of applications. So especially in travel, right? By using that application, so I can book the ticket. So by using some basic information like select the bus, time, and fare of the particular bus, right? So in these cases, do you really need Java programming or else front-end programming? So do you need really write the queries by using SQL? Not required, right? So this type of users is called naive users. That's the reason this type of user interact with the system with the help of previously created programs, already existed programs, so known as application program. So example, for booking a ticket on an online system. Second one is application programs. So these are computer professionals who write the application programs. Suppose for example, if you want to design one application, if you want to develop one application, so obviously we need two things, right? One is database, second one is application. So if it is a database, who is going to retrieve? So obviously, programs can retrieve the data from your database. So in these cases, programmers can write the programs. So who knows write the programs means obviously this kind of users is called application programmers. So you must know the programming to get the data from databases. That's the reason these are computer professionals who write the application programs to get the data from databases, called as application programmer. Third one is sophisticated users. These are the type of users who interact with the system without writing programs. So previously, who knows programs? So this kind of users is called application programs. See here, who knows how to write the queries to get the data from database. So like SQL, select star from employee where hall ticket number is equal to something. This kind of users is called sophisticated users. So these are the type of users who interact with the system without writing programs. Still, without writing programs also, you can retrieve the data from your database. This kind of users is called sophisticated users. So these users may submit the database query to retrieve the desired information or tools from data analysis software. So for example, we have few tools are available to retrieve the data, to analyze the data. So without programs also you can interact with the database. So those users may submit the database queries like select star from employee, select star from student. This kind of users is called sophisticated users.